this cypress vine growing here in our new blueberry patch. Now, this wasn't intended to grow, it just happened to grow. If you're not familiar with cypress vine, it's a great little vine that is good for pollinators such as butterflies and also hummingbirds, especially like the pink and the red tubular flowers. Now, cypress vine should be treated as an annual because it is a tropical vine. However, it can reseed itself here in Oklahoma. In the further southern states of the United States, it actually has naturalized a little bit, but so far hasn't become a problem that it's competing with the natives and causing them to die back or anything. It is, though, a fast-growing vine, so you got to be careful with it. You can see here what was a happy accident of it reseeding itself in our blueberry patch. It actually has just grown really quickly and taken off. Now, oftentimes when you plant a vine, you want to plant it next to something to support that growth. And you can see here, obviously, there was nothing for it to grow on except for a few plants, which the cypress vine will find its way up. It's not one that you have to train. They will twine around anything that goes vertical, so you can see it's grown up a few of our blueberry plants. But the majority of it that we really like is how it's created such an impressive ground cover, a temporary ground cover in that it is tropical. I know oftentimes we use sweet potato vine to use as a ground cover to quickly fill in that area to reduce weed growth. But you might also consider cypress vine for its quick growth and its lovely fern texture. As you can see, it's just billowing over our rock wall here. After all, it is in the same genus as sweet potato vine, Ipomoea. You've heard me talk about pink muhly grass, which is Muhlenbergia capillaris. This is another type of Muhlenbergia. This is Muhlenbergia domosa, and it is also known as bamboo muhly. And you can see that it still has a light, fluffy texture to it, like the other Muhlenbergia. But this one is actually segmented stems, giving it that bamboo look. Bamboo muhly also needs full sun and will get to be about 4 feet tall by 4 feet wide. It is native to Arizona and also Mexico, where it's protected and it grows up in rocky areas protected from grazing animals. Unlike most ornamental grasses, it does not do well when grazed or even cut back. And in fact, this Muhlenbergia should be treated more like an annual, as it's only hardy to zone 8 here, so you probably won't need to cut it back because it'll die through the winter months. It's a great plant to add next to bold foliage like cannas, where it will really show off the fine texture of this plant, or by itself in a container where you'll create a fountain of foliage.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.